recording.
Warsaw, North Carolina. Weather information.
We should be getting our weekly at any time now. It is officially 11.
The current time is 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yep. There you go.
Here's the forecast for the Warsaw listening area. Rest of today, sunny.
And
Highs in the lower 90s.
my one scanner and G-Storm are on. I don't have the second scanner on because
Partly cloudy.
I don't want to plug it in right now.
Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour.
These usually vary between 11
Partly sunny with a chance
to
of
11:15
showers and thunderstorms
or
in the
so.
morning.
They usually happen a lot earlier,
Showers and thunderstorms
at around
likely in the
11:01 to
Highs in the
11:05.
lower 90s.
So,
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour.
Microphone.
Chance of rain 60%. Heat index down.
oh, there we go. Yes, we know.
This is a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazards. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or there is severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day.
Imagine getting the test on Saturday.
And especially the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Alarms generated from station KIG 77 in Cape Hatteras will be activated for warnings and watches affecting the counties of Hyde, Tyrrell, Dare, and Washington. Alarms generated from station WWH 26 in Mamie will be activated for the counties of Pasquotank, Camden, Currituck, Tyrrell, and the northern portions of Dare. Alarms generated from station KEC 84 in New Bern will be activated for the counties of Beaufort, Carteret, Craven, Duplin, Greene, Jones, Lenoir, Martin, Onslow, Pamlico, Pitt, and Hyde.
Whoa.
Alarms generated from station KXI 95 in Warsaw will be activated for the counties of Wayne, Bladen, Sampson, Jones, Onslow, Pender, Duplin, and Lenoir. Here is the forecast.
Well, that was the weekly test, guys. Hope you enjoyed.